You've been lied to your whole life. Air doesn't hold water, and that's why you literally melt in the heat and humidity. You've been lied to your whole life. Air doesn't hold water, and that's why you literally melt in the heat and humidity. You know that sticky, suffocating feeling when you step outside in the summer and it's like walking into a hot, wet blanket? That's humidity. But what even is it? We all think it's just wet air. Wrong. Total myth. Ever wonder why 68 to jam and 90% humidity in the fall just feels a bit damp? But in the summer, it's a hellish sauna? The percentage is the same. What gives? It all comes down to a showdown between two types of humidity, absolute and relative. Absolute humidity is just the actual amount of water vapor floating in a cubic yard of air. It's a boring number, forget it. But relative humidity, that's the one you see on the weather app, is the percentage of the maximum amount of water the air can supposedly handle at its current temperature. And this is the mind-blowing part. At a cool 46 degrees, a cubic yard of air can only pack about 8 grams of water. That's barely more than a teaspoon. But at a steamy 86 degrees, it can soak up a whopping 30 grams. That's a full shot glass. That's almost a 4x difference. So, when it's hot out, 90% humidity means the air is jam-packed with water, completely maxed out. Your sweat tries to evaporate to cool you down, but there's literally no room for it to go, so it just sits there. You don't cool off, and you start to feel like a soggy human dumpling. And now, for the ultimate plot twist, air doesn't hold water at all. Water vapor is just a gas, hanging out with other gases like nitrogen and oxygen. In fact, if you created a perfect vacuum, that empty space could contain the exact same amount of water vapor.